Idea number 4. Infographics are first about structure and storytelling. This is extremely important. An infographic and a data or a data visualization, something that displays data or information in graphic form, should not be just a display of data. It should not be just something that you use to throw data in there and let readers figure it out. Sometimes you have to guide readers through the process of understanding what the data mean. It is very important not just to show the information, but also to put that information into some sort of context. Okay, connecting data, connecting different variables, telling the story behind the data. An example of that is called Brazil's demographic opportunity. What we did here was to connect those two variables, population change and fertility rates. And we did it with a narrative structure, with a storytelling structure. So Brazilian population has grown in the past 10 years. So the first part of the graphic should say, well, Brazilian population grew between 2000 and 2010. That is your opening, the opening part of your graphic. But that is not the story. That is not a journalistic story. So let's create some sort of conflict in there. What is the conflict? Well, population grew, but fertility rate is below expected, and that is the second part of the graphic. And now the story continues. What are the consequences of that? The consequences of that will be that our population will tend to go up, it will eventually stabilize over there, and it will start going down, it will start shrinking. And then the population will also grow older. So that is the conflict, and that's the consequences. And now the closure of the story, the conclusion of the story. How can Brazil take advantage of this situation? What should we do in order to be prepared for this future scenario? And for that, we talked with demographers, we talked with political scientists, and we wrote a little story in there. So, well, what are the main bullet points? What Brazil needs to do here? This is the final graphic. You have all the pieces in there. Brazilian population grew, but fertility rates are below that expected. That will lead to a shrinking population, older population. What can we do about it? That is how you can write, that is how you can create a story based on graphics. And now, people in the room who write and who don't do graphics, isn't this very similar to what you do when you're writing a story? It is exactly the same. You have an opening, you have a headline, then you have a lead, and then you have other paragraphs that put the data into context. Well, that is the same thing that you do when you're doing an infographic. It's exactly the same thing. The only difference is that instead of using just words, you write the words, but you also provide the visual evidence of what you are writing about. So you can build narratives, you can build storytelling pieces based on infographics. And this is applicable, by the way, both to print infographics, this is a print infographic, but also to online infographics.